everyone! Welcome to today's vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'll take you along with me to the portions that I can. First, I'm gonna go get some breakfast right now, so that's pretty important. Let's get that going. And then maybe I'll go for a walk. And then the highlight of this vlog will be the Bokksu unboxing. If you guys don't know what Bokksu is, it's a Japanese candy snacks delivery company, a subscription service. You can subscribe to their collections of Japanese snacks every month, and they'll deliver to you. And it's all very good. It's all from Japan, so you can't get any of the snacks here. This isn't sponsored, but I just really enjoyed the boxes. I thought I would do an unboxing for everybody in case any of you have interest in that sort of thing. All right, let's see where we end up today. And here is the Bokksu that I promised. It comes with usually a brochure that describes what's in the box. The brochures are so cute. It's a different theme each box. This time it's a Valentine's Day theme, so we got the love. And then I'll flip through this brochure here, and it shows you all the things in the box. And then it shows you where in Japan the items come from. Very beautiful brochure here, and the food is just really amazing. Got these chocolate baked goods, rice crackers, a lot of rice crackers. It's very Japanese. And then you got these other miscellaneous snacks. The mochi this time was so good. Oh my goodness, if you're a fan of mochi, you need to try those fried mochi things. Oh my goodness, so good. And then tells you how Valentine's Day is spent in Japan. Interestingly, it's the women who do the gift giving and not really the men. You could read more about Valentine's Day traditions in Japan there. So go back to the box. Those are those really good mochi. Oh my goodness, so good. Those are candies I just took out. And then there are some chocolate baked goods, like a chocolate madeleine almost. That one's really good. And then some crackers, I think that was. These little puff pastry things are very good too. I think those are not so good. Those cranberry things, not the biggest fan. They're a little too dry for me. But everything is very nicely packaged, as you can tell, so if you don't like anything, you could always give it away. It looks really good. Oh, those are really good. Those are, the triangle wrap thing is very good. That's a tea bag. I think it's black tea. It's specially made in Japan. You can see it doesn't even have any foreign language on it because they don't sell it outside of Japan, except if you get it through Bokksu, I guess. And then these little cakes. It's like a pound cake, but fruit flavored. It's very good. Those are more rice crackers. And then the box usually comes with, but those are those really good mochi things. Also fruit flavored. I can't remember which fruit, but citrusy. And those are ginger, like chip-like things. Not my favorite, but each box usually comes with something like that. And now I'm moving on to eat my Valentine's Day cake. We got this cake from 85 Degree Bakery. They had a Valentine's Day special. It was very good. That's it for the vlog, guys. Hope you liked it. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and please share this video with friends. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.